Welcome back to day 22 of the Said With Love Christmas countdown calendar. So we're getting very close to Christmas. I hope the nerves aren't too frazzled, and I hope you're enjoying opening your presents. Day 22 is what we're up to today, day 22. So day 22 is a cute little kit to make your own key fob. So it comes with the most gorgeous rainbow metallic fob hardware. You've got your fabric and your soft and stable, which is the stuff that goes inside, and it gives it a good structure to it, as well as my little mini pattern for the key fob with all your step-by-step instructions. And whilst I haven't, at the moment of videoing this for you, made mine, I will be making this for you and putting up a little video as well. So check that out. There'll be a link below. But this is what your key fob will probably look like. Something a bit this length. I did this cute little one with just a tiny little bit of fabric I had left over, but fantastic for keeping your keys. And the size that we have here means that you can put it over your hand, or if you've got small hands like me, you can actually put it over your wrist. You can be getting things out of the car, still have your keys there when you get to the back door. So always handy. They make fantastic gifts as well. So if you wanted to, you could make this up and it could be a cute little gift. Great gift for guys too, if you're struggling to find something for a male in your life. Just a nice, cute little key fob.